Good day, everyone. My name is Aijan Arnie M. Tapal, and I am from Social Studies 401. And today, we are going to tackle and answer some questions that might appear in a licensure examination for teachers or LET. First question: Who was the president of the 1987 Constitutional Commission? A. Cecilia Muñoz Palma. B. Napoleon G. Rama. C. Ambrosia Padilla. D. Ahmad Domacao Alonto. And the right answer is A. Cecilia Muñoz Palma. She was the president who led the 1986 Constitutional Commission that drafted the 1987 Constitution. Number 2. What is regarded by the state as a primary social economic force? A. Trade. B. Education. C. Commerce. D. Labor. And the answer is D. Labor. The state regards labor as a primary social economic force according to the Philippine Constitution. Number 3. According to Article 3, Section 5 of the Constitution, the writ of habeas corpus may be suspended in times of rebellion or what? A. Invasion. B. Terrorism. C. Martial law. Or D. War. And the answer is A. Invasion. The writ of habeas corpus may be suspended during the times of rebellion or invasion as stated in Article 3 of Section 5 of the Philippine Constitution. Number 4. The power of chamber of the Congress of the Philippines is known by what name? A. House of Representatives. B. Senate. C. National Assembly. D. Congressional Lower Chamber. And the answer is A. House of Representatives. It is the name of the lower chamber of the Congress of the Philippines. Number 5. A member of either House of Congress may be expelled by their fellow members. For a member to be expelled, how much of the total number of members of a house must concur with the expulsion? A. 3/4, B. 2/3, C. Majority, D. 9/10. And the answer is B. 2/3. The expulsion of member of either House of Congress requires concurrence of 2/3 of the total number of members of the House. Number 6. In the event that both President and the Vice President are removed from the office, who will act as the President of the Philippines? A. Executive Secretary of the Cabinet. B. Speaker of the House of Representatives. C. President of Senate. D. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. And the answer is C. President of the Senate. If both President and Vice President are removed from the office, the President of Senate will act as President. Number 7. Who founded the La Liga Filipina? A. Andres Bonifacio. B. Jose Rizal. C. Emilio Aguinaldo. D. Emilio Jacinto. And the answer is B. Jose Rizal. He was the founder of the Patriotic Association, La Liga Filipina. Number 8. Who designed the Rizal Monument? A. Carlos Nicoli. B. Antonio Luna. C. David Antel. D. Richard Kisling. And the answer is D. Richard Kisling. He was the Swiss sculptor who designed the Rizal Monument. In 1851, the first commercial bank in the Philippines and Far East was established. What is the present name of this bank? A. Bank of the Philippine Islands. B. Banco de las Islas Filipinas. C. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. D. Far East Bank. And the answer is A. Bank of the Philippine Islands. Bank of the Philippine Islands is now BPI, the first commercial bank established in the Philippines and Far East back in 1851. Number 10. Who was known as Hermano Pule? A. Apolinario de la Cruz. B. Juan Arellano. C. Aurelio Tolentino. D. Pedro Pesed. And the answer is A. Apolinario de la Cruz. He was known as Hermano Pule, the founder of Cofradia de San Jose.